Have a nice day, everyone. For today's video, we're going to unbox this. And first, this is Wandering Bicolana, by the way. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Just once share and subscribe. That would make my YouTube channel grow. So we are going to unbox this first. I got this delivered today, and there's no wrap like this. So okay, umpisa na natin mag-unbox. It was delivered by Bicolana. Yan. Naka-gloves ako. Naka-gloves ako kasi naglilinis ako. It's just I'm excited to open this. Meron pang papel. Ha! Wow! Okay. Oh my God. So excited. It's an iPhone. It's an iPhone. Ayan. And look at this. Nakita niyo ba? It's iPhone 17. Holy. Okay, buksan na natin. Let's open this. Kasi kung bakit hindi mabuksan. Kanina pa ako nag-i-struggle na buksan. Ito na to. Sirain ko na kaya yung box. Excited ako. Ay. Are you ready? It's a silver. Oh, I want the other color. Oh, ayan. Okay. It's an iPhone. Kailangan matest muna ito. Oh. Oh. Ang lamig kasi galing sa labas. Saan ba yung on ito? Oh, ayan lang. Hanggang dito na lang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. It says here, you no longer need a physical SIM card. Oh, okay. So, this iPhone 17, you don't need a SIM card. It says here, you no longer need a physical SIM card. I don't know. It's apple.com. Oh, why is Chinese? Hola, it says hola. Oh, bonjour. Hola, hala, hello. Also different language, so you have to program this on according sa ano mo. Take a wait lang, nawala. Yan, hola. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And, okay, SOS. 9:55, the time here is 9:55. Tuesday morning. It's today is December 9. Maraming salamat po. Merry Christmas! Hey! Ayan. iPhone 17. Wala man lang kasama. Wala pa palang charger. Where's the charger? I think you have to buy a charger. Ito lang siya, oh. Oh, ito lang ang kanyang wiring. Oh, I see. Oh, yun lang. Wire lang and there's no plug. Okay, just like this. Oh, see? Parang ayokong gamitin. Thank you for watching.